Jembong Waterfalls is one of the waterfalls tours in North Bali. It is located in Ambengan Village, Sukasada District, Buleleng Regency. It is 15 kilometers from Bedugul Wisata or 65 meters from Denpasar. Jembong Waterfalls itself may be the only waterfall attraction that is very well organized in Bali. In this tourist area, there is a park whose arrangement is very well maintained, both in terms of cleanliness and beauty. Jembong Ambengan Waterfalls has two levels. The first waterfall has a height of about 15 meters. The water does not fall freely, but flows on the rock, and below it there is a natural reservoir with a depth of about 1 meter. The water is clear and feels so fresh. You can relax your body by soaking or swimming in the pool. In this area, there is a place to change clothes. So, for those of you who have finished swimming, you don't have to worry about changing clothes. In addition, for those of you who want to relax, there is also a place to relax. There is a bell where you can sit and watch the view or want to hang out and talk to your friends. Let's visit the Jembong Waterfall tour with your girlfriend or family. Thank you.